Today we will continue to create reinforcement for the slabs of this Hello Allplan project. Okay, let's open the drawing file containing the slab and drawing file containing reinforcement for it. Firstly, I want to create stirrups and additional rebar around this slab. I will use a function in single quotation Python part to do that. Open the Python part. For this function, don't care about other parameters or type of rebars. Just focus on what I will define. I tick here to add stirrup for X direction. Spacing 150 mm and diameter 12. And length of the stirrups are 1 meter. And recover 50. The same for Y direction. Then go to Side Rebar tab. I take here to add additional rebars at the edge of the slab. Diameter is 60 mm and overlap length is 1 meter. I want to add some L rebars at the corners of the slab, so I tick here and define the length 1 meter. Okay, next I will click to this button to create stirrup and additional rebar for this slab. Let's check the result in 3D plane. It's nice.